Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bath bomb demo from Nectar Bath Treats. This one is called Sweet Kitty, and the little bow on top is a soap embed. And this bath bomb is from a new collection. They did a collaboration with a YouTuber whose channel is called Nastya. It's a little girl, and I like looking at the products because if my daughter were to design bath bombs, it's exactly what she would have done. They're like cat bath bombs, and some of them contain cat rings and just lots of purples and pinks and just really cute. Now this bath bomb does not contain anything, but a lot of the other bath bombs from the collection have rings in them. I already posted a demo for one of them, and I have several more to post as well. And this bath bomb didn't have any color to it, but it smelled really good. It had a lot of fruity scents. The fragrance notes are tangerine, melon, pear, and apple. And once it dissolves for a little bit, that little soap embed comes off, so I set that aside for Raylan. And there's just a little bit left of the bath bomb. You can see the bath water, it's just white, milky water. There's lots of clay and oils in it, so it's nice and soft. And that is the demo that I have for you today. If you'd like to see the others from the collection, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And if you'd like to order anything from Nectar Bath Treats, then I have a promo code below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.